transom with the boat, and and also how we put the two pieces together. So how we put them together is, you can see here, it's like puzzle pieces, and you put them like you put the puzzle pieces together, two pieces, and then to make it stay, we added two streams of fiberglass, and then we spread epoxy all over the fiberglass. Then when you saw it see-through, that means it went through the fiberglass. You could see it through the glass. That means it was taking effect. But then we put wax paper on it. But then when you put the wax paper on it, then it left some bubbles because of the wax. And so there is still some bubbles in here. Then we're gonna cover all of this in fiberglass. And if you want to see what it looks like, this is what the fiberglass looked like. That's what we used to put all over here. And also for the back of the boat, we used these board pieces here. And you see one part is rounded, the other part is incaved. It's called bead and cove. One part's in, one part's out. And so we put in and out each of these ones from dark to light, kind of like that pattern. And so our goal here, we're just trying to make a decorative piece for the back just to make it look pretty. Our goal for it was there was no gaps in between the boards, and then after that, you see how there's like little air in here and in these pieces. These are the examples of the parts that had been sanded and they were cut off before we sanded them, and then we sanded the main part, so all the air would come out and then it would work. And so if we didn't put the epoxy on and you had it like this, it wouldn't stay, because then if you put it like this, then it would eventually, like that, it would just fall apart. And I remember that it goes from black walnut, but I forget what the highest one was. It looked like birch to me.
Western white cedar.
Western white cedar. Thank you, Mr. Butterfield. Western white cedar, and then the red ones, and then black walnut. They went dark to light and we put it in a dark at the bottom and light at the top pattern, because we thought that the other way around looked a little ugly. And so, any questions?
How did you clamp them together?
We used wax paper. We covered it with. Oh yeah. So we used these two boards, these two big boards, and we nailed one of each of these little boards here. And how we did it is, see, this part is concave and this part is rounded. And so to dry it and to make it ready for next time, we put it like this. And then see how when we push them in the opposite directions, they don't come out. Like it stays there. And we put wax paper over before we put the boards in. And so, any more questions?
When you were talking about putting the wax paper on the top, what is the wax paper for?
The wax paper was just to help it dry. Like just to help it dry, dry it with the air. But then with the air, like how I said, some of the air, it went into the epoxy, and that's why there's little air bubbles here, which is not a good thing. Any more?
We put weights on the wax paper so it would stay down, and so the wax paper also wouldn't stick to the epoxy.
Yes, exactly. Any more questions?
Jamie, can you connect the bead and cove